Hi guys, you're the Porsche lover. For today, I'm going to show you my brand new Porsche. Actually, it's not so much brand new, it's a pre-loved Porsche, but it's a brand new to me. At the same time, it's a 4-door Porsche, so I guess you guys can think what Porsches are there which are 4 doors. So let's check out the car. As you guys know, the Porsche Lover is also the watch lover. So today I have a very special watch. It's a German brand to also commemorate the German car that I'll be unveiling in a short while. So let's do a wristwatch check. So my today is a beautiful Nomos Tetra. So this is actually one of the original OG designs that Nomos came out when they first established in the early 90s out of 4 designs, and of course it stood the test of time. Very Bauhaus, very simple, minimalist, and this is actually a special edition where it's part of the Symphony collection. Alright, back to topic at hand for today. Alright, time to unveil the new Porsche that I just got. Drum roll please. So this is the Porsche Macan S. So as you can see, this is a 3-liter V6 twin turbo engine, and let's geek out on the specs together one by one. What makes a Porsche is all the options that is spec'd in the car by the original owner. Of course, I'm not the original owner. This is a pre-loved model 2016 Macan S powered by a 3-liter V6 twin turbo engine. So while spec you see in the car was done by the first owner himself, and yeah, shout out to Andy for letting go of this car, this beautiful car to me. Alright, let's check out the car. A bit of backstory on this car. This car is actually a 2016 Porsche Macan S, like I said earlier. It's from Porsche Malaysia. So the previous owner actually extended the warranty up to February 2024. So yay, I got a under warranty Porsche Macan. And yeah, let's check out the specs right now. So the first thing, the most obvious item you'll see on the car will be the color itself. So this color is pretty unique. If you guys know, you know its color already. So sometimes I would say it's a like it or hate it color, because initially I wasn't too sold on the color when I saw it in the photos, but in real life it actually looks much better. This is actually called the aurum metallic. So depending on the lighting, depending on the reflection of the light, depending on the camera, like right now I'm using the Samsung Galaxy to shoot this video, it will look bronzy orangey. So you can see the back there looks very bronze, very dark gold, where at the front it looks lighter orange. Another cool thing that the previous owner did was that to actually customize the key fob or the key remote itself. So you can see the key remote housing is actually the same color as the car itself. I mean, how cool is that? Yeah, these are the things that Porsche does better than anyone else. That's why hence they are making the fanboys like us. The other item color that you can see will be the rims itself. These rims are lovely rims. They call it the classic sport design. Of course, for me, I call it the Fuchs design. And they're the very original OG iconic Porsche wheels. So they actually sprayed it in platinum, which is a satin finish, satin silver. At the same time, usually for this type of cars, the Macan S, the S variations will have a red color brake caliper. So you can see the brake caliper has actually been resprayed to silver as well. Okay, so one of the options that this car has is the keyless remote entry and the keyless start. So you can actually start the car with the key in the pocket. I know this sounds very old school tech for 2022, but yeah, anything in the Porsche is all customizable. So some models will have the key fob. You have to insert into the key entry there to start the car. So the first thing about the interior is all black, which is actually the I prefer it, because if you have a bright exterior such as the aurum metallic, the interior should be black in color. Of course, some people will back the trend, they will like bright interior with bright exterior, but again, all these are all to each their own. As long as you like it, it's good enough already. Over here you can see the seats. You have all the comfort seats here, all the adjustments here. At the same time, the seat also has the Porsche emblem crest embossed inside here. So this is an option as well, a lovely option that I would love to have for all the cars. But of course, sometimes you can't choose because the cars are pre-owned, or unless you buy a brand new car from Porsche themselves. Besides that, the seats also has the memory seat adjustments. So you can see here you have the first, second and the key setting. This also applies for the other side as well. It also has the memory setting for both the passenger and the driver side. Over in this area, we can see there's a few special items here. First of all will be the Bose sound system. I know some people swear by the Bose sound system. Initially, I wasn't a fan of it. I mean, for me, I'm not really an audiophile. But after having the Bose system in my car, my 997, going to another car, a 987 which I had earlier without Bose, I have to say that there is a difference. So yeah, if possible, you get the Bose sound system. Okay, so over here, the side step here it's actually spec a very nice spec itself. It's actually been wrapped by the previous owner, but this is actually aluminium. So most of the original ones were actually in plastic, so this is aluminium. And same time, the previous owner also bought this additional carpet rubber mat. So usually it comes with a normal mat itself, but this is rubber, so a very lovely thing to use. Because why? Let's say if I go hiking, if I go anywhere muddy, this is very easy. Just unplug it, you can see out it goes, and then wash it, put it back again. So perfect for the outdoor trips. Another thing that, let's say if your car doesn't come with this, another alternative will be to have the Sherpa car mats, which I've customized for a few of my cars. So moving on to the dashboard, interior area side of things. So you can see the mileage currently is 49,000 km. Pretty low mileage because, as you know, pandemic happened, so the car didn't get driven much. So here we have the sport steering view, multifunction with the buttons here. Sport chrono package, you can see with the chronograph there. And over here we have all the buttons. So of course, the sport chrono package, you get the sport button, the sport plus, and then this car also comes option with the air suspension PASM. So you can actually control the ride height, at the same time can control the stiffness or hardness of the absorber itself. Then moving on here, we have the sport exhaust, lovely stuff here. Yeah, one day I will do maybe a exhaust video note and see how it sounds like. Yeah, but it sounds very nice for a 3-liter V6 engine. And then over here we have one of the features that I think that is a must for Malaysian weather, because it's very hot and humid. So you see currently it's about 34.5 degrees Celsius. So yeah, extremely hot and humid. So this is actually the cooling seats itself. So you can press here, it's turned on already. So, oh sorry, my bad, this is actually the heating seats. So yeah, big no for Malaysia unless you're going to a very hot country. Let me turn that off here. So over here, yes, we have the cooling seats. So actually channels out air through the seats itself. You see the perforated leather here, so makes it very nice and cool, especially when you get in the car. The black leather, it's been baking in the sun already. So yeah, this is a must-have if, let's say, if you get to option this lah. Another cool option that this car has will be the interior trim panels. So you can see right here on the dashboard itself, this is actually aluminium. So this is quite rare because usually it's either plastic or, as my favorite, will be the body color matching panels here. So you can see both the dashboard and also the side door trim are actually in aluminium. And of course, the customization for Porsche is limitless. You can do whatever you want. Some people even customize the color of the cars with this silver trim here, so you can paint it to match the body color. So yeah, and there are a lot of stuff you can do with the car. Oh, okay, just in case you guys are wondering what is this, this is actually a goodie bag that I got from last week, because I went down to Porsche Center, Johor Bahru, brand new Porsche Center they launched, and inside the goodie bag they gave this very nice case, like a pelican case with a Porsche Center Johor Bahru stamp on the front itself. Lovely stuff. Thanks again, Simon Darby. Wow, gotta love the little touches that Porsche puts in the car, like the Macan sign here. Very classy indeed. Alright, let's move on to the next feature, which is actually one of my favorite in the car itself, which is the roof. So the roof for most Cayennes or Macans actually come with a normal roof or sunroof, but this comes with a panoramic roof. So it means that the whole thing is all glass. Let me open up for you to see. So this is the blind itself. Okay, press this. Whoo, lovely. You can see the whole skylight. Very nice. And then let me jump the back and show you guys how it looks like from the back itself. Okie dokie, I'm in the back seat right now. Okay, getting a bit warm. Let me turn the aircon a bit cooler first. Right, you can see right here, this is not a car review per se, but you can see the amount of leg space I have right here. So I sit pretty back, so the front seat, driver seat is pretty back already. So I'm about 172 cm. So you can see I still have a bit of space here. And in terms of height wise, of course, with the piece de resistance, like I say, the lovely glass roof here, panoramic roof. Wow, that is just a sight to behold. I mean, as I say, if you drive up to the mountains, to Genting, to Fraser, to Cameron, you can see the skyline. At the same time, let's say if you are at night, you can actually view the skyline with the beautiful stars and the sky. Very lovely. I say this is my favorite part of the car itself. Okay, I'm out on the car again right now, so let's go back to the exterior of the car. So the one thing I forgot to talk about will be the lights of the car. So this comes with the bi-xenon, the HID lights here. And let's take a walk at the side of the profile here, and let's see the back boot and what's in the boot itself here. Alright, so you can see the side profile, very lovely. At the same time, what's interesting about the back is that this actually has the stainless steel trim. So this is also another add-on that you need to pay to add on. Otherwise it would be plastic bits and everything with the diffuser at the back here. Alright, let's open the boot. So just in case you guys are wondering where is the boot switch, I can't see it. Fumbling here. Usually it's around here on the bottom here. But yeah, this car is actually right at the wiper motor here. So not wiper motor, the wiper itself. Let's press that. And like a zam, there goes open the boot. Alright, so the boot itself pretty spacious. You can put a lot of stuff in. Oh yeah, this is the original carpets that the owner has given to me. So very nice stuff. Thanks again, Andy. Shout out to Andy, lovely guy. If you like the content so far, please like and subscribe to the channel. That would be much appreciated. Thank you. Alrighty, so like I said earlier, I'll be doing more Porsche content on the Porsche Macan itself with my own Macan. I know some of you guys have been asking me for a long time already to ask me to do more content on the 4 doors of the Porsche brand. The Cayenne, maybe, who knows, perhaps in the future, if let's say if I'm blessed enough, I will get another Cayenne just to do videos for you guys. But in the meantime, stay tuned for more videos on the Macan. And yeah, take care, stay safe, and God bless.